I got a new car! Oh, isn't it beautiful, Cameron?
No, it is beautiful, Mom.
Don't you love this?
It's absolutely awesome.
Good job. He called me this morning.
The whole
Right after you
dealership.
left.
Are you kidding?
You know, they all had it washed. It's like,
Cameron had to go use
Had to
my
get your
phone and get the insurance card out of Cameron's car and send it to them. Oh yeah, this has been an all-day thing.
Oh, what do you think, girl?
I think I'm too drunk to drive it home right now.